Well, hi, baby. Hi, Mommy's taking your video and you love that, right? Yes, you do. Hi. Are you excited today? Yeah? Oh. You want to look? Well, and Beanie? Well, hi, Beanie. Oh, you have the nice bright light on you. Doesn't that feel good? Yeah. You're such a pretty bird. And baby's a pretty bird. He loves this cup. He loves this penguin cup is his favorite. Yeah. And he likes to play with this. He wants to chew it. Here, you want to chew this? The paper? There you go. Yeah. You like that? Cutie pie. Yeah. Well, you want to go up. You want to be by your cup or go up on the basket, huh? Yeah. Ooh. Cutie. Here, you want to climb up the basket? Come on. Oh, ow. You want to climb up? Here, I'll help you up. Watch baby climb. There, baby. Good boy. He did it. He did it. Yay. Yay, baby. Good boy. I helped baby get a little stronger in his feet and legs by climbing up that basket handle. Yeah, and Beanie, a pretty Beanie and pretty baby. Okay, well, I'm going to turn this off.